Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who want to take a screenshot of a document that is several page long, but you guys don't want the screenshot to be too much page, don't need to be worried because the Samsung Galaxy A56 cell phone provides a long screenshot feature so that the entire page can be screenshotted without having to do it one by one. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, the first thing first, now we're going to the page that you want to take a long screenshot. And then now you can take a screenshot. And then as you can see, you can click on this button to scroll down and make the screenshot become long. And then so yeah, here's the result you can see. So yeah, this is the long screenshot. Okay guys, it easy right? So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to take a long screenshot. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.